Hello and welcome to the ICSE 8 Maths tutorial. The topic is pie chart, part 2. In part 1 we have learnt how to draw a pie chart. And today a pie chart will be given to you, and based on that pie chart some questions will be asked. We are going to learn how to answer those questions. तो शुरू करने से पहले आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता, तुम्हें गैरों से कब फुर्सत, तुम्हें गैरों से कब फुर्सत, हम अपने गम से कब खाली, चलो बस हो चुका मिलना, न तुम खाली न हम खाली. शुक्रिया. Thank you. This is the first question. And the question I am showing you on the screen, the question is, a pie chart is given to you, and that pie chart I have drawn here also on the board. You can see. Based on this pie chart, there are 4 sub-questions. The first sub-question is, how many students are enrolled in class 8? How many students are enrolled in class 8? Alright, where is class 8? See, this is class 8. The angle is 85. The angle of the sector is 85 degree. Okay. So how many students are enrolled in class 8? So the number of students enrolled in class 8 is equal to, the angle is 85. Alright, angle of the sector is 85, and the total angle is 360 at this point. At the center, the total angle is 360. So 85 upon 360 multiplied by, and this 1440 is given. If 1440 students are enrolled from class 6 to 10, from 6 to 10, the number of students is given 1440 total, 1440. Okay. So 85 whole divided by 360 multiplied by this figure, 1440. Alright. When you simplify, I have written directly, you show 1 or 2 steps in between. Alright, you simplify, show the steps, cancellation, 0 cancels 0, and then some more cancellation, and then finally you will get 340. Alright. So this is your first answer, 340. The second sub question is, how many students are more in class 9 than in class 10? In class 9 and in class 10, how many students are more in class 9? More. So one way is you find out the number of students here in class 9, and then you find out the number of students in class 10. Alright, and then you subtract 9 and 10, right? And then you subtract. But what I have done, I'm finding out the difference of the angle 75 and 50. See the second sub question. Difference of angle is equal to 75 minus 50 is equal to 25. Alright. So the required students, the required number of students is equal to this difference 25 and whole divided by 360 multiplied by again 1440, which is given. This figure is given. Again you simplify, show some steps in between, and then finally you will get 100. This is the answer. Okay. Now the third sub question is, what is the sum of students enrolled in 7 and 8? 7 and 8, the sum of the students. So one way is you find out the number of students here, you find out the number of students here, and then you add. What I am doing, I am directly adding the angles. So 70 plus 85, which gives you 155. So that you please write down here. I didn't write that, you please write down here. The sum of the angles here, write down. When you start third sub question, please write down here. The sum of the angles is equal to 70 plus 85, because this is 7 and this is 8, and the question says 7 and 8. The question says, what is the sum of the students enrolled in 7 and 8? In 7 and 8. Alright, so of course this sector and this sector, the entire sector, both these sectors, the two sectors, that is going to represent the sum of the students of class 7 and 8. So I am going to take the entire angle, the total angle. So the sum of the angles is equal to 70 plus 85 is equal to 155. That one step you please write. Then after that you write down the sum of the students in class 7 and class 8 is equal to the sum of the angles we found out 155. This plus this is 155, so that 155 and whole divided by 360 multiplied by 1440. When you simplify again, please show the steps in between steps, and then you are going to get 620. The last sub question is find the ratio of the students enrolled in 6 to students enrolled in 10. 6 and 10. 6 and 10. 6 and 10. What is the ratio? Alright, so directly we can find out the ratio of the angle of the sector. The ratio of the angle of the sectors. Alright, so the required ratio you can write down full, read the question and accordingly you write down full. So the required ratio is equal to, ratio you have to find out 6 to 10. The ratio of the students enrolled in class 6 to the students enrolled in class 10. First class 6 is coming, alright. So class 6 means 80 and then class 10 is coming. Class 6 to class 10. So 6 to 10, that means 80 upon 50. 80 upon 50, 0 cancel, you get 8 upon 5 and that is equal to 8 is to 5. This is your answer. So these are the 4 answers. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Now, one question I am giving you as homework. One I did and one I am giving you as homework. So, question number 2, second question, first I did, now second question I am giving you as homework. Please see on the screen, question number 2. Second question and this is the homework. Question number 2, please see on the screen, question number 2. I have given the answer also, you please solve and see the answer. Okay then, hope everything is clear. Then thank you so much. Thanks.